Hey, it's Todd Ault, and welcome back to Wall Street Words. Today's word is brokerage account, and you have a brokerage account at a broker-dealer. Now, I'm going to give you some tidbits here about the account. When you have a brokerage account, actually the broker-dealer carries all your securities for you and holds on to them. And they give you a sub-account in your name to identify what you own in your account. Now, why is this relevant? When you buy or sell with a broker-dealer, you're assigned an account number, and you can trade in that account on your benefit. And when you trade, if you make a gain, you have a capital gain, you've got to pay taxes on that. And if you lose money trading, you can take a tax loss. The money's segregated for you, it's held in a general account, and the broker-dealer approves you to do business with them, to buy or sell. Now, there's some advanced brokerage accounts now. Robinhood and others offer all kinds of cash securities, money markets. You can trade options in your brokerage accounts. You can trade futures, all kinds of things you can trade in a brokerage account. It's like a bank account, but for stocks. However, it's not insured like a regular bank account, so you gotta pay attention to what you're insured for when you leave cash there. Broker-dealer accounts have been around a long time. Having a brokerage account is important. You gotta have your IRA in a brokerage account. Brokerage accounts are an important part of the US economy, and you can open one online pretty easily when you go to Webull or many other places. Now, if you want one, there'll be a link below for Webull, and you can open an account and get 3 free stocks for depositing $100. Today's word is brokerage account.
Hey, thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Please subscribe and hit that bell below. If you think this video adds value, please share it with somebody. By the way, if you want to watch more Wall Street Words videos, there's 2 videos right here you can watch right now. There's new videos every day. Thanks for watching Wall Street Words. Always great things happening here.